2 Glock 48s that I carried. I got a couple of Glock 48s here. This is what I carry every day right here. And I already did put the ghost connector adapter in this gun right here. Blue, this little red. Stick like that on it. Put the edge connector on here. Okay, so we're gonna go try that out on the range today. Make sure she's safe, make sure she's working good. These targets, we're gonna lane 5. Lane 5 for today. Somebody left that. I'll use it, no worries. That's good. Alright guys, we got my Glock 48 OS. I put a Glock connector on there, my ghost edge connector on there. Should smooth out, no wall on there, should just smooth pull back on it. Test it out, see how they're working. I got some targets up here. I'm gonna zero it out, make sure it's zeroed out. I'll probably work on these two with the 0 and then at 10 yards, and then we'll go from there, guys. Alright guys, we got a Glock 48 on us. I put on the new ghost edge connector in there. We got Overwatch trigger. And let's see how it goes. I love the swivel job on this. Let's go back a little bit. Dropped one, not bad. I dropped one, I felt that one too. Let's go back that again. Let's do headshots this time. A couple shots a little low. I'll take that though. Alright guys, we're about 7 yards. Do some double taps, try to get him around the chest. Jam right there. 5 yards out. Shots. $15 shots. Not bad. Hope I gotta drop this. Pulled one to the left. I'm gonna drop one right here. We'll go back. Let's do headshots. Right in the middle of the head. One jam, but let's take a look at the headshots. And dropping a few. That was right on point. I'll take it. Alright, got my Glock 48 NOS. Apex trigger, ghost connection, look at that. Custom stipple job. And let's see what I can do on my groups. Well, we'll go 7 yard out, guys. Alright, go 7 yards. Let's go for headshots. Seven yards. 7 yards, so a little bit. I'll take it, I'll take it. Go back out. That'll be 3 yards. Slapping the trigger a little bit, slapping the trigger. We have nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. So let's go use those up, some practicing. Go left corner. Corner. Drop, pull it. Pretty good here. Here, took a little concentrating on my shots here. Shot 2 bullets here. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, drop 2 bullets. Little mag dump. Kept them all inside, as you can see. I'll take it.